Alright, we've got a few Beadle'S dime here. This one here is Truthful James, the Expedition speaker. It's missing the back cover. Pages are white. Spine is there. It's lacking some down here at the end. We then have the Burlesque speaker, missing a piece here, missing a piece there, missing a piece along the edge. The spine is split here. Start to lose the backing there, but comes back here. And then we have Dialogues number 1, Crowning of Florence, Nightingale. Got a piece missing down along the edge there. Spine is lacking. Cover's in good shape. These are going to be listed on our eBay site as well as our website. Both are the same name, Dive Novel Hunter. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a good day.